welcome back to my channel. So if you guys have seen this look already, then you guys should have already checked out my wig review on this wig that you see right here, because it is a banger. And so today I'm going to be talking about a new collaboration, y'all. And when I tell you a new collaboration, I mean an exciting collaboration. And y'all know, like, some collaborations, like, they're okay, like, they're cool, you know, nope, hey, it's a collaboration. But then there are other collaborations where I'm like dumbfounded. Sorry, it's like something flying in the air, but I'm like dumbfounded. And these are one of those collaborations. So I was contacted by a company called MVMT, which I believe stands for movement. And so they said that they wanted to collaborate and that I could go and pick some glasses as well as a watch, and that they would send it to me, and that, you know, I could share this with you guys. And so when I went on the website, first of all, I was like, any watch? Any glasses? Y'all, I was like, I was a kid in the candy store, let's just say that. So I picked a watch and a pair of glasses, and I love it. As y'all know, sometimes I get nervous. Like, working with some companies, you just don't know how legit they are, but this company was super legit, and I already knew. So I was just very blessed and humbled and favored that I received this opportunity. So thank you, MVMT, for blessing me with these gifts, because they are amazing. So I'm glad that I can share this with you guys, because, like, not only is the product amazing, like, I mean, it's beautiful. And they have men and women's stuff. So they have men and women's watches, men and women's glasses. They have a bunch of stuff on their website. So of course I'm going to leave all the information down in the description box, as well as show you guys what I received. So I received these two boxes. And so this one is the watch, and this one is the glasses. And so just so you guys know, I thought this would be perfect for me showing you guys with this look, because I'm going to a brunch right now and I'm going to wear these as my accessories. So yes, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the glasses, and I'm going to unbox it. So when you open the box, it says follow us at MVMT or at MVMT for her. I'll have a special code that will be in the description box where you can save. I can't remember if you get $15 off or if it's 15% off. But either way, I'll let you know exactly what it is in the description box, and maybe post it right here just so that you guys know. So they gave you a card, and inside the card it says, welcome to the MVMT, or welcome to the movement. It says, in 2013, we made a promise to create high quality, minimalist products at a revolutionary price. Due to the support of our awesome fans, MVMT has become more than just a brand. We would not be here without you. And so it says, now we like to do our part by offering the best possible customer service. And then it's signed by the co-founders, Jake Kassan and Kramer LaPonte. I believe I'm saying that right. Hopefully I'm not messing that up. And so then it says hashtag join the movement. So if you guys go on that hashtag, you can see many other people that have purchased it or received their products. And so this is what the glass case looks like when you get it. So I open it up. So this is what the glass case looks like inside. And so I'm going to take the glasses out, and this is what they look like. You see that? So I'm going to go ahead and put them on for y'all, but let me show you up close and personal first. Okay, so as you guys saw, these are non-prescription glasses, and they come in clear, and they're called Run, and they come in clear, like I've already said. And so I love how they come in clear, and then they also have this, like, this pattern right here. A lot of my glasses always come with this pattern because I love it. And so I'm gonna just cut the sticker off, and then I'll put them on for you guys. Oops. So I cut the sticker off. And so let me put them on. Woo! These are hot. I made the right choice, y'all. You see this? Bam, bam, bam. I am loving it. This is so my style, and so I'm so glad that I made the right decision. So let's just jump right into the watch, y'all. Like, Y'all not ready. Y'all not ready. When I tell y'all, like, I have been so blessed. Like, I don't even say that to just be saying it. Like, I truly mean that from my heart. Like, these opportunities that I have received, these collaborations that I've received, they haven't been just small collaborations. Like, they've been major collaborations. I'm glad that these companies that are reaching out to me and that I'm accepting their collaboration, because first I have to accept the collaboration. But even the fact that they're reaching out to me, I'm just humbled and grateful, because these are top of the line, top products. I didn't tell you, I think these glasses retail for $60. So again, I will put in the description box the links to these glasses, as well as put the price somewhere right here, just in case I might have got the price wrong, or if they're on sale, you never know. And so I'm trying to open this watch. You have to slide it. So there we go. Before I couldn't slide it, so now I'm able to do it. So yeah, so this is the watch. So it comes like this. Let me give you an up close view of it. So y'all ready? I've been wanting a rose gold watch so bad, y'all. So this is such an awesome thing. So first of all, when you open it, it looks like this in the inside. And so it comes with a welcome to the movement card again, as well as a little instruction pamphlet. Oh, it has the it has some more cards. So I'll show you their cards so you guys know exactly where to go to get all of this stuff. So the watches, the glasses, all of this. So before we get into the watch, let me show you guys this. This is where you can go for their sunglasses. And the watches. So that was all the paper stuff, you know, that was all the, you know, non-fun stuff. Like, it could be fun stuff, but the real fun stuff is what's in this thing. Okay, so then it looks like this. It comes covered and protected with this thing right here. So then when you open it, look at that. Do y'all see that? Let me go ahead and give y'all up close and personal. Let me spend some time with this watch. This watch is amazing. Okay, love, so y'all saw this watch? This watch, like, when I looked at it online, mind you, I got to choose from all the watches that were on there, and this one is what resonated with me. I like that it has the 3 clock heads that all do a different thing. So one has the date, the other has the time, and I'm not sure what the other one is for. But either way, it's still cute, and it's rose gold, and like I've said, I've been wanting a rose gold. So yeah, so I'm pulling it out now. So this is what it looks like. Okay, y'all, so yeah, as you can see, I've had it for how long have I had this watch? I've had it for maybe a week now. So of course it was super hard not to just go putting it on. But I definitely wanted to unbox it with you guys and to show you exactly what the watch looks like. Now, what I'm so happy is that they sent extra links in case you need extra links for the watch, which is perfect because, y'all, I'm not no little skinny chick, you know? I got some meat on my bones. And sometimes the watches, I don't like for the watches to fit too, you know, snug on my wrist. So I'm so glad that they gave me these links so that I can put them on and don't have any issues. And so yeah, I'm gonna have my husband actually do that for me now. And yes, if I didn't tell you, the name of this watch is called Leo, and on their website it retails for $150. And so yes, if you guys are feeling this watch, again, make sure you use the code that I put in the description box so that you can get you some coins off, because this is amazing and it is so quality. Like, oh, I'm so excited. Like, y'all don't even understand. Like, and I'm glad that I was able to pick a watch and some glasses that just kind of complement each other, you know? So you guys make sure to check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, all of that, to see what the full look is and how I got ready for my friend's birthday brunch today. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if this is your favorite watch or if they have another one that's your favorite watch. And so I hope to see you guys in my next video.